Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make very beautiful paper bags. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a nice piece of paper, perhaps a decorative one, along with a ruler, a pencil, some scissors, and a reliable glue stick or liquid adhesive. For a good starting size, cut your paper to about 10 inches by 15 inches. Now, take the bottom edge and fold it up by 2 inches, making a sharp crease. This will form the foundation of our bag. Next, we'll form the main body of our bag. Take the two longer sides of your paper and bring them together in the middle, ensuring they overlap by approximately 1 inch. Apply a thin line of glue along this overlap and press it down firmly to create a strong seam, forming a tube. Now, open up that 2-inch bottom flap we made earlier. Carefully flatten the corners of this flap into perfect triangular shapes on both sides. Now, let's create the sturdy base of our paper bag. Take the top edge of the flattened bottom flap and fold it down towards the center, ensuring it neatly overlaps those triangular shapes you just made. Then, take the bottom edge of the flap and fold it up, overlapping the previous fold by 1 inch. Apply a generous amount of glue to these overlapping sections and press them together very firmly. This creates a strong, flat bottom for your beautiful bag. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and handles. Gently push in the sides of your bag to create 2 distinct creases on each side. These are called gussets and give your bag its shape and capacity. Next, fold down the very top edge of the bag by about 1 inch to create a neat, reinforced hem. Now, punch 2 holes on each side of this top hem, about 1 inch from the edge, and thread through some lovely ribbon or string to complete your beautiful, handmade paper bag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.